going back in.
Kedgie's got me a present.
I've also got this for £5.
Right, queuing up for round 2. Right. Pepsi again. Other Cokes are available.
Okay.
I wish there was a bit of Jack Daniels in it.
I'm alright at the minute.
Oh God.
Yeah, I've had some porridge.
How much are your boots?
How much are your boots? 8.
I think. They're all small.
On this rail, the £10 or 2 for 15. One day I'll pull the trigger by the I'll come back round. Yeah, I'll give it a walk.
Cadge?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is easy to solve it.
You normally do the incredible stuff.
We've got her out of the box.
Ooh, TIE fighter.
Sorry, mate. Your chat was good, mate. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Eh?
And it chips the identical way.
No. It's
They're £2 a pack, only
Diabetic
£5 on the
socks.
bulbs.
diabetic socks.
Well, I've been wearing it for work. I did 3 for a
James, James.
I've got no shoes on it. They just have little, but you can use any little ones. Yes.
Thank you. Have we got a... Sorry? The £2 for 5 pairs.
No. I saw a sign saying diabetic socks.
Right. You had a full box of it. I've got Manchester on it.
Manchester.
glad I could. That lady, we speak to her all the time.
Oh, is she, Maureen?
What's the size of them?
There are 3 or a 4, I can't remember. I think there are 3.
How much a joystick?
£5.
And shoes.
£8.
Oh, shoes out.
What size are they?
3 or 4 is actually it.
Sorry, I'm
All right.
I was thinking 7 to me.
No, it's 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the US size is 3.
Oh, right. Lego, isn't it?
Fair joystick, mate.
Nice one,
Cheers.
cheers, mate. Thank you. The other one's in there somewhere. Right, £5. No problem.
Remember my drink?
£10 for the bag.
I thought you'd already had your drink.
I should have asked you that.
What?
Lego box.
It's 10 quid. She didn't buy it, did she? No. No, she didn't buy it.
Hold on. How much are the shoes? How much are the shoes?
35.
How much have I got for mine? The white ones.
Want it in a basket
60, I
or
think.
bag?
Yes. Oh, that's subwoofer, 2 computer speakers. I was looking at this. No, it's missing its front.
Yeah, but they're no good, those new trainers.
Wow, what's up with them?
Ow, that was me rib.
Alright.
No, ow.
What do you say? Can we do it? Do it.
No,
Bending down.
no, it's sneezing. It'll pull itself back in a minute.
Stretch your other arm around your back.
I did. I don't want to force it too much though. Oh. Ouch, that hurt. Yeah. Oh dear.
You good?
Yeah, I'll be alright.
You had a cough.
No, I was just going back in now. I don't want to fucking. Oh. It'll be right.
This guy should have cleaned up there.
The trouble is, a lot of the boxes are battered, that's why I want. It's got controllers. Not genuine. They're not genuine. There's a Funko Pop Mandalorian with a comet over there. It's the one I'm missing. but the box is all battered. I've got the first one, that's number 2. So cat boots, but all the rubber at the top was perished, wasn't it? Yeah, he knows he's got the right prices on. Not great. That's it.
I think you buy from more than
Oh, they've got the shoes out now. No, just put out what was on the top of the bag. I looked through them.
Uncle Jack, you put your fingers on. This is going to swim back down.
green, black and green shades, right?
There's a Mario there, look. Didn't you have the other one? Oh, you got the same one here. No, if I don't find out, I'll go back and get that diamond. Oh no, well, I don't know.
I'll find that one, we'll get back and get that watch.
What watch? Oh, orange Toblerone. Orange Toblerone, mate.
You've already got your chance.
I'm not fucking eating that. I'm going to put that myself.
Have you bought anything else this time round?
That joystick. That's it.
That's
Saucenies, I think, yeah.
This is in the back, isn't it?
Yeah, Sauceny.
No, really.
UK 11.
80 quid for new one.
Too small, is it? Too big?
11.
13 for a start. You ever heard of it?
Yeah. That was what I've just got 80 quid for them Gore-Tex ones that I've got.
Are you buying them?
Because you know he's trading and there's going to be no in it. Oh, it's only telephone. Look.
It's a trader or something. I was going to say, you notice now, right?
That was before it became Sony Ericsson.
You notice now, right? Before I used to always have cameras on camera, why not camera? You never
Yeah.
get them on, do you?
No.
Because they just sort of start the boys, especially here, where I can't move them. I think most people realise it's not rolling the whole time. Well, yours was mine.
No, I've been turning it on and off.
I just do it so you don't get like a walk in and stuff. You might just get literally
Oh, just
straight in what you're thinking of what you're buying.
Just edit it out.
The new ones are found there.
Some bandages.
Yeah, some self-sticking ones up. How much is a pack?
It's £3 a pack, darling. Oh, you can have 2 packs for a £5.
Oh, I'm hoping I'm healed by then.
It's fabulous stuff, that.
Yeah, I've got it on now.
Oh, bless you.
Still bleeding out?
No, it's it provides support. I put the dressing on and I wrap that round it.
This one's kind of been opened if you'd like to have a
It does
look.
if I crack it.
Yeah, I don't need to. What?
£3.
1.7.
Yeah, if I crack the scab, it seeps plasma stuff. Yeah.
There you go, darling.
Cheers, thank you.
Oh, well, you can do it if you get it.
Oh, that's a bonus. I was paying like £3.89 for one at Tesco. It's not going to be genuine, is it?
Oh, either of them are funny.
Definitely should have come this way first.
Liar. Thank you, Darren.
No,
I just want to see your face.
Yeah, well, crying.
What, you bleeding inside?
You got them scream for a fire. Monkeys fly out like it's That's real.
He might not know what it was. He looked at it again, he might have more money.
That's it.
Are they side?
I don't think so, no. Yeah, look. Yeah, they look legit.
Fiver. They're just different.
Where are we looking?
What's that on the table?
There. Fucking hell, right in front of me.
Yeah. Thank you.
There you are.
Nobody.
How much did you bop it, mate?
That is 15.
15.
Weeks. £5 unpaid.
Yeah, it's a collectible that on eBay. You get a lot more for it.
Yeah.
Pull it.
Yeah.
Oh, you can hear it.
Yeah, I can hear it. Fucking 15. Yeah. It's about the right size. It's a life size figure as well.
Say again.
Life size as well. Do you know how much the bop it was? Is that why you sent me over?
No, I didn't know. I just heard him when he said it. We just on that.
Yeah, right.
Thank you.
15 quid.
What? Oh, yeah. That's the catch didn't right. He says, you watched Dad's face.
I just said, why did you?
I don't think they're right. Maybe.
I'm hurting now.
Just 5. To be fair, 5 I said.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
He's selling them, not me.
Poor boy, do it. I bought them. Thank you anyway.
What did you pay for that?
What? Those hats?
How much is a stormtrooper?
I've been set at 15. I've had a little bit of interest in it really. People look at her. Oh, well, I've said they'll come back. What were you hoping for?
10?
You take it now?
I'll take it now.
Yeah, go for it.
I did buy something similar the other week to cover up, stand in front of my boiler
Oh,
to
right,
cover
yeah,
it up.
yeah,
But when I put it up, it was too wide to fit between the shelves.
It has it's got the that at the back, but it folds as
Yeah.
well, yeah? Is that alright? You're right to be folding it?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yeah, it's only to cover up the boiler. Lovely, thank you. I'm happy with that. It's a bit battered, but it's only to cover up the corner. Mind you, I've set up that bedroom before I had my accident. The only things I've put out on the shelves and that's bloody Pokemon so far.
Definitely not the other.
Oh no, they've got a plastic tag on everything. I like the black one.
They're 20 them ones, mate.
The loose ones, yeah?
Yeah, loose ones are 20, ones in boxes are 6. Yeah.
Dad,
Dad.
you like it's click fit, not a...
Yeah, it's click fit. No.
Didn't know because it was Top Gun, Maverick. And...
You're 65. Get them on what?
Catch is gone. I'm just doing a couple more rows to make sure I ain't missed out. And then I'm bouncing home as well.
Yeah, seen a bit, Kathy. Don't go car one. Don't go car one. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
I was just wondering if the Perspex cover was in the box with it. I could have glued it with a clear fix. It wasn't. Dad was gone.
Have you gone?
Yeah, I said, oh, I'll walk to the middle and then I'm going.
Yeah. Oh, I got my little thing. A little statue of a goat.
He wants to get about for a fucking football. Oh, he found a goat's rifle over there.
Did he?
Yeah, it's a little miniature. It says the goat rifle.
Ah.
It was 10 quid. I thought, I don't know how to get this diamond.
Not all close to getting anything, really.
I'll let you have it for 20 quid now.
Go on then. That's it, then I'm going.
Right, if don't catch you again, Dan, I'll see you.
Yeah, you might see me tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, thanks.
I'm going to ask you a cheeky question. Who's the oldest?
You're old.
3 years younger than me. I'm 3 years younger than me.
Cheers, thanks, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Oops, sorry, mate. I'm pretty sure that's me going home now.
What do you mean? Yeah. Yeah, but when he stands at first higher, they're £3. When he stands at first though, he yeah, he's got one of those as well.
Oh, go on then. Cheers. Hold on, yeah, I saw these. I thought, oh, well, that'll be me in front of the telly later.
Exactly. I'll tell you what is good though. These Jaffas.
Oh, no, I'm not keen on Jaffa cakes. Right, lovely, thank you. What, you'd gone?
What, you'd have gone over?
Oh, yeah, we're right. Your teeth are going to be fucked.
They're already fucked.
We're after it, yeah.
I'll tell you what she give me for free? Where is it?
You bought the dynamo then?
Yeah, walking past and he says, oh, go on, I'll let you have it for 20 now. So I'm
You trying to insult me?
Huh?
Why would I want fucking fruit and sweet? What's going on?
Well, you'd eat fruit and bloody nut bar.
That's got chocolate on it.
That's it, done for part 2 of Torksey. I only picked up a couple of bits, got the dino at the end. Anyway, adios.